20 minus 5 times the quantity 4 minus 2. Go ahead, calculate it, and watch yourself fall into the trap. Here's what your brain wants to do. 20 minus 5 is 15. 4 minus 2 is 2. 15 times 2 is 30. Easy answer, 30. But if you said 30, you just violated the order of operations. Multiplication always comes before subtraction. Always. You can't subtract first just because it's on the left side. Let me show you how this actually works. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we subtract. 20 minus 10 equals 10. The answer is 10, not 30. You were off by 3 times because you went left to right without checking priorities. Multiplication doesn't wait its turn, it cuts the line. If this got you, leave a like and subscribe for more problems that punish you for going on autopilot.